Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided that I was going to share with you guys 8 beauty hacks that I swear by. I know there's tons of beauty hacks out there that just don't really work. There's like crazy hacks out there, but these are ones that I swear by, the ones that I use that I know for a fact work. Some of them aren't even necessarily a hack. Some of them are just like secrets or products that I've found that are amazing and they work and they've changed my life. Before we go ahead and get started, if at any point in this video you decide, hey, I really like this girl, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on that post notification bell to be notified every single time I post a new video. In the new year, in 2020, we have decided that we are going to start posting Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. I used to only post on Mondays and Thursdays, but this year we decided to throw in an extra day. Starting off with beauty hack number 1, I get so many questions about how I do my hair or how I keep it so ashy, which is a very new thing for me. I've been blonde for a really long time now and it's never been like this. My hair stays so ashy and it kind of is like that silvery tone to my hair that I absolutely love. I have a lot of red in my hair, so my hair very easily turns bronze or red or yellow, and it's just not cute. And I recently found out about this product. My hairstylist, Amanda, is absolutely amazing. If you guys are in the Pittsburgh area, I will link Amanda down below because she is literally the best person in the entire world. So yeah, if you guys are from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, check her out. Her information will be down below. She actually is the one who introduced me to this product, and this is a miracle. So this is the Pravana, the Perfect Blonde Purple Toning Mask. It looks like this, and I'm not even kidding you, after using this, I don't have any issues with my hair turning red or turning yellow. What you do is, if you start noticing that it's turning yellow or if it's turning red, all you do is you put this on, and I'll show you. It is very pigmented. You can either put this on dry hair, which is usually what I do. Once a month, you put this all over your hair dry, and I let it sit for anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. I'm not gonna lie to you, if you leave it in for too long, your hair will actually turn blue, so just be careful about that. Or if you wanna play it a little bit safer, you can actually use this more often on wet hair. So you just like shampoo your hair and then you put this on wet hair and you let this sit once again for 5 to 10 minutes. But I'm not even kidding you, this has been like my saving grace because it's really helped my hair stay to the color that I want it to. The next little beauty hack that I have for you is this makeup brush right here. I never could figure out bronzer whatsoever. Never was my thing. I truly did not know how to do it. So one day, after like trying and buying all of these different bronzers, and they never looked like Kim Kardashian, and I was getting so discouraged, I was so upset, I finally went into Sephora and I said, listen, how do you do bronzer? Like, please teach me how to do this. I don't understand. The guy at Sephora actually told me that it does not matter what bronzer you're actually using, it's the brush that you're applying it with. So they encouraged me to get the Sephora Precision Powder Brush. It is a little pricey, but this thing has lasted me probably 3 years now, and it's super easy to clean. It's shaped like this, and so all I do is I do a little swirl on my bronzer. You just go right underneath your cheekbone and make tiny little circles, and I'm not even kidding you, it takes no talent, no skill. You will have beautiful bronzer. 3 of the beauty hacks that I actually have to show you all revolve around mascara. Mascara is something I feel like I have mastered. If I had to go without any other makeup except for one thing, I would definitely choose mascara. It is my favorite. So the very first beauty hack that I have for you, you might have actually seen it before. If you're running out of mascara and you're running like really low, put 1 or 2 drops of contact solution in it. I don't really know what the science is, but I promise you it works. Putting 2 drops of contact solution into your mascara, stirring it around, and it's literally like it's brand new. This has saved me so much money. This usually like makes my mascara last probably an additional month than it usually would. The next hack that I have for you, I don't really know if it's a hack or if it's just a little secret that I have. I never use one mascara for some reason. Once again, I don't know the science behind this, but I'm telling you, I always start off with one mascara and then I always go in with a second mascara once my mascara has dried. Literally don't know what the science is, but my eyelashes almost like always look fake. It makes them so long and voluminous, and then it curls them really well, and I love And the last beauty hack that I have revolving around mascara would be, we all know the struggle where you're applying mascara and you accidentally get some to the lid of your eye. Instead of trying to get it off while it's wet, because I personally have just found that that is not a thing. It smears it, it ruins the rest of your makeup. I usually wait until it's completely dry. I take a Q-tip. Usually I actually just put contact solution on it. For me, that just works the best. And you're able to just get it off so gently and it doesn't ruin the rest of your makeup. The next beauty hack is for my pale skin girls. Anyone who has like a red or like a pink undertone, that is literally me. I have struggled with that for so long. You guys have definitely heard me talk about it, especially when I used to have acne and my skin was always just super pink. I had a lot of rosacea. This isn't even a secret at this point. If you guys have watched all of my other beauty videos, I've talked about this every single time. This is my favorite product in the entire world. Not only does it cancel out a lot of your redness, it helps hide any acne marks. It also helps color correct. It primes your face. And also, if you're prone to getting really embarrassed throughout the day, which is so me, if I'm in a situation where I feel really anxious, my face will just turn really red. This kind of helps prevent all of this. This is the Cis-Apare Tiger Green Color Correcting Treatment. It also has 30 SPF. This has completely changed my skin. This goes on every single day underneath my makeup. And so if I get really embarrassed or I have acne or whatever it is, it prevents the redness from shining through. It also helps my foundation to last all day long. It's kind of cool because it's actually green. It's very, very, very pigmented. I feel like only 2% of my audience is actually going to relate to, but I'm telling you, this is an amazing tip and an amazing hack that you guys just need to know. For me, I don't understand why, but I get cold sores so easily. I feel like I don't actually get sick a lot, but I just get cold sores all the time. Whereas like my friends might have a really bad immune system and they might get sick all the time. Like I said, I don't get sick, I just get cold sores. And if you guys are like me, you guys just know how frustrating they are, because once they start, they're like, you just can't, or at least for me, I can't make them go away. I've tried every kind of topical cream, those band-aids that you put on, they have like the ointment that you put on, whatever. I've never been able to get any of those to work for me, and I get them so bad that like they like swell up my whole mouth. I don't know, not cute. But a little beauty hack that I have that a lot of people do not know about, but if you guys are very prone to cold sores, you can actually go to your doctor and get a prescription. So this is called valvacyclovir. Sure, I don't know exactly how to say it, but anywho, it is an actual prescription for cold sores. I never knew that that was a thing until a few years ago. And so the second that you feel like a cold sore coming, or if you know other people around you are getting sick, you can actually just start taking these to prevent any sort of cold sore or anything like that. Long story short, if you guys have this issue too, definitely talk to your doctor. The last beauty hack that I have for you, I also just realized that this was 9 beauty hacks instead of 8 beauty hacks, but it is Nair. So Nair is one of the top like hair removal brands. And so basically what this is it is a lotion that you put on your legs, like with, you know, your hair on it, and it basically burns the hair off of your legs. You just put it on for 3, honestly I leave it on for 7, but it says 3 minutes, and then it's supposed to burn the hair off, and then you just like take it off, and like literally your legs are super smooth, they're hairless, and it prevents hair from growing longer than shaving does. I know people who literally shave their legs every single day. I shave my legs once a month. Well, I Nair my legs once a month, which is so crazy. If you guys have never tried Nair, I would definitely recommend it. It is quite a life hack for me. Now granted, it's not for everyone. Some people do have very sensitive skin and it is a chemical that you are putting on your legs, but I'm telling you, for me it has been amazing because like I said, I only have to Nair my legs once a month. Okay, so those were all of my little beauty hacks. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure, like I said, hit that subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on that post notification bell to be notified every single time I post a new video. I post Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so you guys do not want to miss a video. I love you guys, and I will see you all in a couple days. Bye.